What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, I'm in the car right now. I'm just coming to pick up some food real quick, and then in a little bit we're gonna go head out with the bro. We're gonna get some flicks, hopefully get a little POV content, you know. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in a few minutes. What's good, YouTube? Currently on the road right now, got the POV mount on, about to meet up with the bro. As y'all can see, it's rainy, it's wet out. So, yeah. But yeah, man, I do need some gas. We're still about to hit the highway really quick. Bro, if you're not having a good day, I hope this upload cheers you up, man. We just hit 600 subscribers, so I appreciate every last one of y'all that's been tapping in with the family, tapping in, showing love. I really do appreciate y'all, man. And if you are like active on my channel and stuff like that, if you haven't checked out my last video, it was about my exhaust setup. And basically, I just wanted to know like that you guys like that type of video. Y'all want to see more content like that, like me with the mic on just talking, or y'all want to see like day in the lives maybe? Like I can do anything, bro. So y'all just let me know down in the comments, bro. Is that an 890? So dark. It gets so dark in Atlanta now, bro. It's only 7 o'clock. I need windshield wipers bad. I didn't know they was that bad, bro. Bruh. The other day I was like reminiscing like over all my old videos, just watching like I guess how it drive, how the car would drive, how the car sounds like way different. And we just getting started, bro. Damn. Yeah, they gotta be fixed ASAP. My girl provided me with like one of these little camera things. So basically I can see like everything, even though I don't have a camera. Like one of them GoPros, you can like see on an app. I have nothing to see my thing on, so usually when I start my POVs, I usually call my girl and have it on FaceTime. So as soon as I get off FaceTime, I just press it if I'm by myself. But being that I have that now, we don't have to do that anymore, guys. We're elevating the world. Bro, I haven't listened to the radio in a long time. I only been listening to my own music, and I can't have my own music in the video because I'm recording with my phone. We gonna get a camera soon, y'all, bro. 2025 is on the way. You're gonna be seeing a lot more POV content, a whole bunch more content with the car, of course. The car's still basically stock, just with a downpipe, so there's a much more that you can do with the car. There's a lot more stuff I can do with the car. And you already know I show you every single mod, so y'all just stay tuned, man. Christmas lights top of this car. Ah. Bro, I want to get the reindeer thing though. We gotta do that for a video. I don't know if y'all can be able to hear that turbo like I can. X3 Sprinter van. Still good. mad traffic, y'all, so empty cars out. People just getting off work and stuff, so I'm not trying to do too much. Plus it's raining. Cutting out with a little cord. What's this? 528. Okay. There's police right next to me. Norcross police. I'm chilling. Ooh, what's that? I'm gonna slow down. I'm trying to see what that is. F30? Oh, it's an F31. Okay. That's clean. That's clean. Oh, he's in there. He's tripping though. It's too much rain. I don't got no tires, bro. He's in there though. Come on, me dog. For some reason, come on, get in here, big dog. Bruh, this guy. A little foggy. Nah, he called me and installed them this morning. You installed them this morning, right?
Yes, sir. It took me about an hour.
Like an hour, bro. They look crazy, bro. Like, look at this. Sheesh, he's reindeer already, like, for real. But yeah, we just pulled up real quick to a parking garage and we're about to take some pictures and everything. It looks crazy, man. These new lights look crazy on the M340, bro. Look at that, bro. Thing looks nice. Good job. We put up to another gas station, get some better lighting. But the cars look crazy, bro. Alright, y'all. Gonna do a quick little POV with the M340. Finna head to another spot. He leading, so. How much you wanna bet I beat you in the launch? I won't? Alright. We gonna see. We gonna see. We finna both be sprinting, bro. No racing. No racing, bro. Yo, that's crazy. There's two of them. There's two of them. Jeez. God is good, bro. That's crazy. 2 cops just parked up over there at the light, bro. Freaking loud, bro. Outside. Another one? There is. Nah, I need a radar, bro. Okay. Bro, there's a cop.
Filmed in Mexico. Do not attempt at home.
You trying to slide your car, bro?
Slide my car? I got you. Alright. Hold on.
There you go.
Let me see. Alright, finna let my boy get the keys.
Let's go, bro. Thank you.
Alright, let's see what's going on, bro.
You want to hop in?
Shoot, I want to record from the outside, low key. There we go. There we go. Show him how to drive a 328, bro. Hey, you did it from a burnout?
Yeah, I told you, bro.
It's way easier?
Yes.
Bruh, let me try, bro. Oh, snap.
Impossible.
You started from a burnout in the rain?
It's so, just a little burnout. Brake, gas.
Brake.
Let go of the brake a little bit.
Brake, gas.
Give it some more brake and then it'll spin.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me try again.
You got that.
Hold on.
You got that.
That nigga taught me how to drive. Yo, I got the POV on that. Hold on, let me check my tires. Yo, they're smoking. They're smoking, but we okay though. I'm bald now, bro. I told you I need tires. Game.
I would say for now you could rotate them.
Rotate them?
Yeah,
Put the fronts in the back?
Either paint or
Sure, I'll probably do that then.
yeah, I would say rotate them.
Rotate? But my boy, you know we gotta get some M340 content, bro.
Get in there. Get in. I don't even got my keys on me.
All right, but you got them. Are they in here?
No, they're in the car.
All right, let me park up over there.
All right.
Bro, nah, I want you to do it first.
What?
I want to see you slide it first, and then I'm gonna hop in with you. This is big boy power right here, guys. This is not to be played with. Woo!
Get in the middle.
Get in the middle. Oh, bet. Bro said, get in the middle. Yo! Yo! He's going crazy. Yo! That was fire, bro. That was fire.
That shit was so easy.
It just sounds like it's easier, bro.
All right.
You gotta teach me everything.
You go, sir.
Yo, for the day? Appreciate you. Yo, so we're in a 2023 MD40 right now. You know what I'm saying? With the catless down pizzy.
All right.
Catless down pipe. So you gotta show me how to work this,
Good?
but yeah.
Your seat's good?
I think so.
I don't think you can go anywhere back.
Yeah, this is straight.
All right. Drive. Just pull it back. Pull one more
Drive.
time. Then downshift once because you're in sport. What you go for? All right.
Oh, all the modes is ready.
You ready?
We active.
Slam the gas.
All right.
Second
Wait,
instantly, bro.
Slam the gas second
Yes.
instantly.
Yes. Go to second
All
instantly.
right.
Just go in circles. Don't transfer it. Just go in circles.
Wait,
Second instantly. Just remember that.
do I gotta
No,
burn
just,
out?
No, just turn
just slam it? Oh, it's
forward.
that much power?
Yeah.
Got you.
Don't redline it though. Second. Wait, hold on. So before you turn, go to second.
Before you turn.
Yeah.
Got
So,
you.
bruh,
Let me drive this man's car properly. Hold on. Bro, it's like easier, but
Exactly.
I gotta learn how to.
You don't even gotta floor it that much. Just let it.
Okay.
Just let it slide for you.
Let me try this way. Bro, it's like, okay, I'm trying to keep control of it, but it just keeps sliding back that way. So, how do
Maybe
I?
you're turning it too hard. Just
The
give
first
it
one?
One, and then you're gonna control it from there. You know.
Okay.
It's gonna slide easy on you.
I see.
Just a little
I
more
see.
gas.
I see.
Just a
I
little more
see.
gas. You had it.
So spin, counter steer. Spin,
Yeah.
counter steer. Gosh.
Not too much gas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Did fun, bro.
Okay.
Appreciate you,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
Appreciate you, bro.
That's fire.
I knew I was gonna get that one. Appreciate you, bro.
Yep.
All right, let me see.
Let me see you slide this
Slide mine. You finna watch from the passenger seat of yours?
No, get out.
All right, yo. So as y'all see, we had a little mishap happen. Our professional stunt drivers had to grab the keys real quick. Y'all tap in my boy on Instagram. I can leave his thing to y'all can go follow him right now. He's also obviously doing content and a little bit of mods here and there, you feel me? But if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.